So this video is about using a Flutter component called image picker. The image picker has an example on its plugin page, but what that doesn't really have is it doesn't have a full uh, description about how to then save the images to either iOS or Android. So here I have is an example of using that image picker and a lot of the sample code from the image picker, and then making some use of that image picker. And then also what I did is I added a way for it to wait for the image to stabilize or not move around, and then automatically take a picture, and then being able to actually also save the picture in black and white, and then an ability to then save the image to the Android or iOS local storage. And this will be very helpful when you're wanting to build a functionality to detect documents and being able to automatically capture the document once it comes into view. So take a look at this example that I posted up online. If here is a quick example of it running on my real device here. So here is what I'm going to do is turn on the camera, and then once it notices that the image is stabilized, it will take a picture. And then here's a way to then save it. You can see on the bottom the snap bar of where the image is saved. And you can then customize that about where it's actually going to get saved. Here's turning on the black and white, waiting for the image to stabilize. And then here's a black and white version of it, and then saving it again. Okay, so it works the same way on iOS, and this functionality should have some capabilities to work on web as well as Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay, so take a look at this example, and if you have any questions about how this works or any issues you might have when you get it to work, just send me a comment, and please subscribe and like this video to support my work. Thank you.